again a reminder to all competitors in event 36, the men's 1500 metres freestyle. All competitors are required to mark up this morning, including the fastest heat, which will be swung at this evening's finals. So just reminding all competitors in event 36, men's 1500 metres freestyle, you are required to mark up this morning.
Again, this is the first of 10 heats for the men's 100 backstroke. Leading through the 50 was lane number 6, Jamie Nagan from New Swim. He comes in entered at the qualifying standard of 105 flat. He'll be well under that. Looking to win this first heat.
Thank you.
And Jamie's running time 1:03.